started. Good morning, my name is John Davis and I just figured out how to attach a backhoe attachment to my Massey Ferguson 251 XE. And the problem I was having was this tractor does not come with a power beyond point, and no one really could help me. And I found on Summit Hydraulics they had a 3-position 6-port open center diverter valve, and that solved all my problems. What I did was run my pressure and return into the center port, and then pressure and return out to my front bucket control valve, and then pressure and return to my backhoe. Now I'm going to show you how it works. What do you think? Alright, let me know. I can help you figure out how to plumb it in if you have this problem on your tractor.